This is Chevrolet Tahoe 2010. I'm going to make all key lost by opening the door locks and by X-Force device to find beating. So let's see how we work it. Let's start work. So we are going to open the locks and then we are make the key. Let's see if it is working or no. It's like Chevrolet and GMC, mostly model of this. You can make it. So there is a 7 pins. There is a 7 pins, and the ignition there is a 10 pins. So you should cut the key with the 10 pins, and you have to make the fine beating. Let's try it. So go to the fine beating first. Chevrolet B111 10 beating. Okay. So the first 3 is we have to find out. Let's start. The first one is 3. Second one also 3. Then number 1. And it's number 3. Number 3. Number 5. Number 4. The final one, number 2. So you already have the seven pins there. 7 is already there. So first, second, third, 3 is not there. We'll make the fine beating. Maybe it's give us 2 keys, 3 keys like that. It will give us the option. This only give me the 1 key only, but mostly of the vehicle giving 2 or 3, 4, 5 like that. We have to cut it one by one, and let's cut the key. So let's try it. It's cutting a key. Let's see if it is going to work or no. So it's finished cutting. Let's try it. See, it's same exactly. On the locks is working, door locks. Let's try it on the ignition. Let's try if ignition is going to work or no. Yeah, it's working. Thank you guys.